I'm Lauren Keating with TechTimes, and we're here at the 3D Printing Expo at the Jacob Javits Center. It's the largest 3D printing show in New York City with over 40 vendors and people from across 20 countries. Let's take a look at the shape of things to come.
3Dponics is an open source hydroponic system made specifically for educational use. So as we saw that schools are getting a lot of 3D printers and all the teachers are wondering what to do with them, how to implement them in the curriculum. So 3Dponics is this answer. It has everything for STEM education, science, technology, mathematics, engineering, and so much more. And just recently we got into the idea of space farming. So basically we're tapping into the minds of teachers, students, and allowing them to use open source components and design better ones. So basically improve them, make them better. And our ultimate goal is to make the most efficient system for use on Earth, Mars, or International Space Station. We came up with this original part about half a year ago. This was the first part for 3Dponics. Basically connects recyclable plastic bottles. And we have since then came up with 36 additional components. And people just keep inventing new ones from the ones that we released open source. So right now we have 36 components, and you can actually customize all of them using our customizer. So it means that the parts are parametric, so you can resize them, change the shape, and send them to your printer, and becomes a unique part made for your unique system.
Well, that's everything here on Earth. Now, you were talking about space farming. Can you go a little bit more into that? How did that idea come about, and where do you see the future? Is this something that was going to happen soon, or are we talking, years from now? What are your thoughts on this?
I think we're talking about a few years from now, maybe more. Some people think it's still kind of science fiction, but I absolutely believe that eventually people will be going to Mars. And there's a lot of programs going on, like Mars One, where a lot of people from Earth are signing up to actually be sent to Mars one-way ticket. And as they go there, it's just logical that they would have to bring 3D printers to build their houses, to build systems, and naturally they would need food to grow on Mars. It just becomes logical that you can bring a 3D printer, get the 3D printable components, print them, put them together, and start growing food on Mars, same way on Earth or International Space Station.
And if people want to read more about your company and about your projects, where can they find you?
You can find us at 3dponics.com. All the information is there. If you want to build your system, you can get all the components, get all the instructions there. And we have an online store, so you can actually buy the supplies you need, like fertilizer and pumps and etc. So, yeah.
Well, we hope one day we see some farming in space. Thank you so much, Michael. I'm Lauren Keating with TechTimes.